Hello, and welcome to the Harshi Archive. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey through the timeless and fascinating relationships between Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma, and the divine figures who hold the universe in balance. In this divine cosmic drama, we'll dive into stories that span millennia, exploring devotion, cosmic duty, respect, and sacrifice. These timeless stories not only shape our spirituality but also hold deeper, hidden meanings about our own lives. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncover the greatest mysteries of the universe. Are you ready? Let's dive in. 1. Mahadev and Lord Vishnu. The unlikely bond. Our journey begins with Mahadev, also known as Lord Shiva, the god of destruction, who embodies both the harsh and the tender aspects of the universe. On the surface, Shiva and Vishnu, the preserver of the cosmos, may seem to be polar opposites, but their relationship is one of profound respect and interdependence. Now, let's rewind to an ancient story from the Bhagavata Purana. During the churning of the ocean, or Samudra Manthan, the gods and demons worked together to extract the nectar of immortality. During this event, Vishnu appeared in the form of Mohini, a woman of unparalleled beauty, to deceive the demons and ensure the nectar went to the gods. The mesmerizing form of Mohini even captivated Shiva, who was deeply moved by her beauty, momentarily losing himself in the cosmic illusion. But here's the twist: Shiva, the lord of destruction, is never fully swayed by illusions. His respect for Vishnu and his understanding of the divine play led to the perfect balance between creation and destruction. Shiva does not view Vishnu as a competitor. Rather, he sees him as a counterpart, working together to keep the universe in balance. This partnership teaches us that in life, we must embrace the dualities, creation and destruction, light and dark, love and loss, and learn from them. 2. Lord Brahma, the creator's arrogance and humility. Next, we turn to Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe, and his complex relationship with Shiva. Once, Brahma grew arrogant in his role as the creator, thinking that his power surpassed that of others, including Shiva. He even went as far as declaring his supremacy in front of the universe. But, as the cosmic order goes, Shiva could not allow this arrogance to go unchecked. In a dramatic turn, Shiva appeared in the form of an immense pillar of light, challenging Brahma to understand the depth of the universe's power. Brahma, in his pride, decided to test Shiva by searching for the ends of the pillar. He sent his vehicle, the Hamsa, a swan, to search upwards, while he searched downwards. However, Brahma was unable to find the source, but upon his return, he lied about his journey, claiming he had found the top of the pillar. This act of dishonesty angered Shiva, and in response, Shiva severed Brahma's fifth head, as punishment for his arrogance. This story illustrates the importance of humility and the consequences of overestimating one's own power. Even the gods must remember their place in the grand scheme of things. Yet, Brahma's curse, that Shiva would only be worshipped in the form of a linga, gave birth to a powerful tradition, a symbol of Shiva's eternal presence. Through this, we understand that even the harshest acts are a part of a divine plan, leading to balance and transformation. 3. Ravana and Shiva, the power of devotion. Let's turn our attention to Ravana, the demon king of Lanka. Known for his immense strength and wisdom, Ravana was also a devout follower of Shiva. His devotion, however, led him down a path of pride, and what happened next is a fascinating tale. In his quest for power, Ravana decided to show his devotion by lifting Mount Kailash, Shiva's sacred abode, in an attempt to gain Shiva's favor. But when Ravana lifted the mountain, Shiva's response was both swift and severe. Shiva pressed his toe down on the mountain, trapping Ravana underneath. Despite the king's immense strength, he couldn't escape the pressure. But here's where it gets interesting. Ravana, instead of being angry, realized his mistake. In his humility, he composed the Shiva Tandava Stotram, an incredibly powerful hymn that praised Shiva's divine attributes. Shiva was moved by his devotion, and in the end, not only forgave him but also granted him immense power. This story reminds us of the power of devotion. Shiva teaches us that true strength lies not in physical power but in the heart's devotion. However, Ravana's story also shows us the danger of pride. Even the most devoted can fall victim to ego. It's a reminder that devotion must be humble and selfless, rather than seeking material gain. 4. Bhasmasura, the demon and his arrogance. Now, let's look at Bhasmasura, the demon who was granted the power to turn anyone into ashes simply by touching them. This power came from Shiva, who, recognizing Bhasmasura's devotion, granted him the boon. But Bhasmasura grew arrogant. He decided to test his new power on none other than Shiva himself. When Bhasmasura tried to touch Shiva and reduce him to ashes, the situation turned dire. At this moment, it was Vishnu who intervened, transforming into Mohini again to outsmart the demon. Bhasmasura, captivated by Mohini's beauty, agreed to a challenge to see who could touch their own head first. Of course, Bhasmasura touched his head, thinking he could defeat Mohini, but as soon as he did, he turned to ashes. This story highlights the dangers of unchecked power and the role that intellect and humility play in the cosmic order. 5. Andhaka, a father's love tested. Let's delve into the story of Andhaka, a demon who was once Shiva's adopted son. Born of Shiva's and Parvati's union, Andhaka was raised by the divine couple. But his nature was corrupted over time, and he grew power-hungry. He became infatuated with Parvati and even tried to seize her. In response, Shiva had no choice but to confront his son in battle. Despite Andhaka's evil ways, Shiva treated the situation with care. This heartbreaking tale reminds us of the fine line between love and duty. As a father figure, Shiva could not allow Andhaka to harm his divine family, but the very act of battling his own son was a deeply painful one. In the end, Shiva's sense of justice and love for his family prevailed. 6. Daksha, the insult and the reconciliation. Moving on to the story of Daksha, Brahma's son, who once insulted Shiva by not inviting him to a grand sacrifice. Shiva was deeply offended, but Sati, his beloved wife, insisted on attending despite being humiliated. When she was insulted further, she self-immolated. This caused Shiva to unleash his destructive wrath. But here's the twist: after Daksha's beheading by Shiva, he was later resurrected, and Shiva showed him the grace of reconciliation. This act of forgiveness teaches us that even in the face of great insult, one can choose the path of grace and compassion. The lesson here is about balance. Justice does not always require vengeance. Sometimes, reconciliation is the greater power. 7. Parvati, the many forms of divine feminine energy. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate Parvati, Shiva's consort. She is the divine embodiment of Shakti, the cosmic feminine energy that represents creation, love, and fertility. But what makes Parvati so fascinating is the many forms she assumes: Annapurna, the goddess of nourishment; Kali, the fierce destroyer of evil; and Durga, the warrior goddess who rides a lion into battle. Each form of Parvati represents a different aspect of feminine power: strength, love, patience, and destruction. But there's more. Parvati also embodies the balance of creation and destruction, nurturing life while also knowing when to let go. Her story with Shiva is one of partnership and mutual respect, reminding us that strength lies not only in the physical world but in our inner power to transform and create. 8. Nilkant, the ultimate sacrifice. Finally, we come to one of the most profound and lesser known facts: Shiva's ultimate sacrifice. When the ocean of milk was churned by the gods and demons, the poison that emerged, Halahala, threatened to destroy everything. Without hesitation, Shiva drank the poison, holding it in his throat to prevent it from spreading through the world. This act of self-sacrifice, where the poison turned his throat blue, earned him the name Nilkant, the blue-throated one. This act of compassion symbolizes the importance of selflessness in protecting the world. Shiva's sacrifice wasn't just for the gods, it was for the protection of all creation. It's a rare and hidden aspect of Shiva's character that shows the ultimate expression of love for the universe, even at the cost of one's own well-being. The mystery continues. We've only just scratched the surface of these divine mysteries. To learn more and dive deeper into the endless tales of Shiva and the cosmic forces, be sure to subscribe to the Harshi Archive. Hit that bell so you never miss an update, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What part of Shiva's journey resonated most with you today? Stay tuned, and remember, the mystery is only just beginning.